Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to make a beaded bracelet for men using beads of different colors. I will use black wooden beads and wooden beads in the natural color of wood. I will also use a metal bead. And of course I will need some black nylon thread. Beside the beads, I will need some findings. And let's look at the findings from a closer distance. I will use some jump rings, a lobster claw clasp to open and to close the bracelet, and for the end of the thread, some bead ends. And I will also need some crimps. And as tools, I will need a jump ring opener and a pair of chain nose pliers. And for the nylon thread, I will need some scissors. For the end of the thread, a lighter and a big eye beading needle. Now I will put the tools away and I will begin. And I will put the findings away too, and I will begin with the thread. As you can see, I measured the thread so that it is a bit longer than the circumference of my wrist. And now I will begin by making a knot at the end of the thread. Now I will take the big eye beading needle I will take one crimp I will take this crimp and I will put it on the needle this way, and at the end of the thread I will take the pliers and press on the crimp. And now I will take the lighter and burn the end of the thread. Now I will take a bead end and put the bead end on this thread like this. And now that the thread doesn't come out anymore because I have also put the crimp, I will close the bead this way, and I will take two more findings. I will take a jump ring and the lobster claw clasp. I will grab the jump ring with the pliers and the jump ring opener, and I will open the jump ring. I will put the lobster claw clasp on the jump ring, and I will also put the bead end on this jump ring like this. And now I will close the jump ring. And now I have created the end of the bracelet. After I have created the end of the bracelet, I will start to add the beads. So I have the beads here, and I will start putting the beads on the bracelet. So I'll put different colors of beads. Now that I've reached the center of the bracelet, I will add the metal bead. And I will continue adding beads in a symmetrical manner. Now I will add 3 beads. And now I have finished adding the beads to the bracelet, and I will make the end of the bracelet now. So I will put the bead end. So I have put the bead end here, like this. I will put a crimp. I will make sure that the beads have a bit of space in between, so that they are not very compressed. And I will close the crimp like this. I will take the needle out, and now I have pressed on the crimp like this, and now I will make a knot over here. So that the crimp does not come out. And now that I have made a knot here, I will take the scissors and cut the thread. So I've cut the end of the thread, and I will take the lighter and burn this end of the thread like this. And now I will close the bead end. Like this. And here I will put the last finding, the jump ring, that I will open using the pliers and the jump ring opener, and I will put the jump ring through the bead end. Like this. And now both ends of the bracelet are ready, and let's see if the bracelet can be opened and closed. Like this. So I have closed the bracelet using the clasp. And now let's see what the finished bracelet looks like. So this is the finished bracelet for men.